Have you ever thought about making money by creating and selling ebooks online? Welcome to the world of digital publishing, a realm brimming with untapped potential and endless opportunities. With a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of dedication, and the right tools, anyone can break into this market. It's as simple as jotting down your thoughts or sharing your knowledge, turning it into an ebook, and voila, you've got a product ready for sale. So, where do you start? Let's dive in. The first step to creating an ebook is to choose the right content. Now, this isn't about plucking a topic out of thin air. It's about understanding what resonates with readers today. It's about selecting a topic that's relevant, engaging, and in demand. Why is this so important? Well, it's simple. Your content is the heart of your ebook. It's what draws readers in and keeps them hooked. If your content doesn't resonate with your audience, no amount of marketing can save your ebook from gathering digital dust. So, how do you go about choosing the right content? One proven method is to identify trending topics. These are subjects that are currently popular and widely discussed. They have a built-in audience that's eager for more information. But how do you find these trending topics? There are several tools at your disposal. Google Trends, for instance, is a powerful tool that tracks the popularity of search terms over time. It can give you a snapshot of what topics are hot right now. Social media platforms can also be goldmines of topic ideas. They're where people go to discuss their interests, share their opinions, and explore new ideas. By observing what's being discussed, you can get a sense of what topics are currently resonating with people. Remember, the right content can make or break your ebook's success. So take your time, do your research, and choose a topic that you know will captivate your readers. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to start writing. The process of writing an ebook is not dissimilar to that of traditional book writing. However, the digital nature of an ebook allows for some unique considerations. First off, your ebook needs a structure. This includes a captivating introduction, comprehensive chapters, and a compelling conclusion. Start with an outline, jotting down key points and ideas that you want to cover in each section. An outline serves as a roadmap for your ebook, guiding you through the writing process and ensuring that you stay on track. Next, we move to the writing phase. Here's where the magic happens. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time around. The important thing is to get your ideas down. You can always edit and refine later. And remember, consistency is key. Try to write a little bit every day. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, writer's block. It happens to the best of us, but fear not, for we live in the age of artificial intelligence. Tools like chatgpt can be a great ally in your writing journey. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, write content, and even edit your work. It's like having your very own digital writing assistant. Moving on to formatting. Unlike traditional books, ebooks don't have standard page sizes or a fixed layout. This means you need to ensure your text is readable on all devices, keep your paragraphs short, and use headers and subheaders for easy navigation. Also, consider including images, infographics, or diagrams to break up text and enhance understanding. Finally, don't forget to edit. Editing is an essential part of the writing process. It's your opportunity to polish your work, fix errors, and ensure your ebook is the best it can be. Don't rush this step. Take your time, or even better, consider hiring a professional editor to review your work. With a well-written ebook, you're one step closer to making your first sale. Now that you have your ebook, the next step is to publish it. Let's start with Kindle Direct Publishing, a popular platform known for its simplicity and reach. To sign up, head over to their website and click on Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to remember these details, as you'll need them each time you want to publish a new ebook. After signing up, you'll be asked to complete your account setup. This involves entering your tax information and bank details for receiving payments. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set to publish your first ebook. To do this, click on Create a new Kindle ebook. Here you can add your book's title, description, and upload your manuscript and cover image. Make sure to spend time crafting a compelling description, as this is what potential readers will see when deciding whether to purchase your book. Apart from Kindle Direct Publishing, there are other platforms available for publishing your ebook. Some of these include Smashwords, Draft2 Digital, and BookBaby. Each has its unique features and benefits. Smashwords, for instance, distributes to a wide range of retailers beyond Amazon, including Apple Books, Barnes and Noble, and Kobo. Draft2 Digital, on the other hand, offers automated formatting services, making it easier to ensure your book looks professional across different devices. BookBaby offers comprehensive services beyond just ebook publishing, including print-on-demand and book marketing services. This can be a great choice if you're looking to offer a physical version of your book or need help promoting it. As you can see, there are many routes to publishing your ebook. Each platform offers different benefits, so it's worth researching each one to see which best suits your needs and goals. So, there you have it. A walkthrough of how to publish your ebook on Kindle Direct Publishing and a quick look at other platforms you might consider. Publishing may seem daunting, but with these platforms, it's a breeze. You've published your ebook. Now how do you get people to buy it? This is where the magic of marketing comes into play. Firstly, let's talk about social media advertising. Social media platforms have billions of users worldwide, making them ideal for promoting your ebook. With targeted advertising, you can reach out to the specific demographic that would be interested in your book. For instance, if you've written a science fiction novel, you can target ads at people who follow sci-fi authors or groups. Next is email marketing. This is a proven strategy for direct communication with potential readers. Start by building an email list. You could do this by offering a free chapter of your book or other enticing incentives in return for an email address. Once you have a list, you can send out newsletters, updates about your book and special offers. This keeps your book in the minds of potential readers and gives them a reason to buy. Now, let's discuss search engine optimization, or SEO. This may sound technical, but at its core, it's about making your book easily discoverable online. By using keywords related to your book in your title and description, and by having a well-designed author website, you can improve your ranking on search engine results. This means when someone searches for a book in your genre, there's a better chance they'll find yours. Let's not forget the importance of an attractive cover and compelling description. People do judge books by their covers, especially online where the cover is often the first thing they see. Invest in a professional cover design that catches the eye and accurately represents your book. Your description should be equally engaging, drawing the reader in with a tantalizing glimpse of what to expect. Remember, marketing isn't a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Keep engaging with your audience, exploring new strategies, and refining your approach based on what works best for you. With the right marketing, your ebook can reach a wide audience. So put these strategies to work and watch as your book climbs the bestseller charts. So you see, creating and selling ebooks online is a feasible venture for anyone. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've journeyed through today. We started off by understanding the importance of selecting the right content. Remember, the secret lies in finding that sweet spot between your passion and what's trending. It's about identifying a topic that resonates with you and the market. This ensures your ebook is not only enjoyable to create, but also has a ready audience eager to consume it. Then we dove into the art of writing your ebook. We discovered how leveraging tools like chatgpt can make the process easier and more efficient. This AI writing assistant can help you generate ideas, draft content, and even proofread your work. It's about making technology work for you to optimize your time and resources. Next, we navigated the process of publishing your ebook. We looked at platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, which simplify the publishing process. With a few clicks, your ebook can be accessible to millions of readers worldwide. The key takeaway here is to leverage these platforms to your advantage, to maximize your reach and potential earnings. Finally, we explored the crucial aspect of marketing your ebook. We learned that creating an ebook is only half the battle. The other half lies in effectively promoting it. Using social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies can help you reach your target audience and boost sales. But above all, we highlighted the potential of this venture. This isn't just about making money, it's about expressing your creativity, sharing your knowledge, and potentially impacting millions of lives globally. It's about transforming your passion into a profitable venture. So why not give it a try? You might just find a profitable new venture